So, okay. Is that all the way out? Yeah. Hey, what's up? So, I'm gonna try to do a real mukbang this time. And I only got Chick-Fil-A. But I didn't get a lot of food this time. I just got a spicy deluxe, basically. I don't know what's in basic. That's all I got. But honey, I know they did not just do that to me. I know they did not. Okay, I was about to say, I know they didn't give me more Polynesian than Chick-Fil-A. I was about to get so mad. So mad. It feels cold. It's not, but we'll warm it up. I'm such a lopsided creature. Alright, but here's my food, y'all. Got a pretty blonde, you know. If you go to Chick-Fil-A, you know what it looks like. I ain't about to be doing all that, man. There's none on my lips. I just like to do that to look fancy. So how's your day been? What are you supposed to do on these? I watched some of them, but once they start smacking, I cut it off real quick. I'm like, I'm not about to hear your spit and food together. That's disgusting. Close your mouth. Like, I don't get why people can't eat with their mouth closed. It's the easiest thing. Like, it really frustrates me. Can't even open this, okay. Like, dude, close your mouth. Like, my sister, I literally want to hit her in the face every single time she eats. Because she just smacked it. It's like, dude, close your mouth. You don't know even know how to close. Keep it closed when you're chewing, stupid. Have I eaten today? I don't remember. This might be my first time eating, probably. I don't know. I've been up since 6, so I've eaten. I would have been really cranky at work if I didn't. After this, take off my makeup. Should I do a video on my skincare routine? It's not really that big of a deal, but you know, some people might want to know. My skin's not the clearest, but it's okay for what it is. Mood. True friends. Y'all, lashes matter. If you're gonna do makeup and your lashes are not out there, woo! I'm not saying put lashes on every time you put on makeup, but if you know you're looking dusty because you ain't got nothing on your eyes but some eyeliner and no mascara, like, I'm judging you. I'm judging you. We not cool. I'm gonna look at you like, whoo, the uncultured. You think makeup people are like in a cult? Is it a cult? Like, is that what it is? I feel like I feel like natural hair gurus are cults. Woo! They be getting so invested. And they gonna tell you how to do your hair. Sister, lady, sir, whatever you are, you're not about to tell me how to do my hair. If my hair doesn't like doing that, then it doesn't like doing that. If I want to dye it, I'ma dye it. If I want to buzz cut it off after I done growed it to my waist, I'ma do it. Just saying. I hate when I do that on accident. But that time I did it on purpose, so that's okay. Why people freaking people in freaking Texas can't drive? Like, literally, they can't drive. So many cars almost hit me today. It's like, dude, what is wrong with y'all? You gonna get home or wherever you're going. Or people will literally pass you just to slow down in front of you. And then get mad when you pass them again. Whew. That's cute. Cardi and Offset got matching Lambos. Eating halal. Driving a lamb. Why they put 2 tomatoes on here? That's disrespectful, to be honest. I'ma still eat it though. Do y'all dip y'all sandwiches in anything? Or do you eat it? Literally woke up. At what was I saying? I'm about to Snapchat my friend. Hi, Jalen. Not so much. But he's dead to me. At the same time. I legit forgot what I was about to say. Oh well. When I'm editing this, I'll remember. If I edit this, I'm gonna be like Trisha Paytas. She don't edit nothing. And she be getting views at the butt. I'm like, what? But she freaking smacks. Like, she doesn't smack hard. She just does like the occasional one, you know. But like, you going like, I'm gonna hit you in your face. I'm gonna hit. I'll probably never go out to eat with you again. You ready? No. Go by yourself. I will order it. You can stay. My nose itch. This lady today, my job, she wanted her hair a certain way. And usually, people there be like, hold on, let me show you my phone. They show me an actual picture of them. Why she show me her Bitmoji? Woo! That was so funny and adorable at the same time. She was like an older lady. But it was funny because it was like, Why you told me a Bitmoji? But look, she got what she wanted. She like me. I ain't gonna be there long, so. I only work there one day a week anyways, but today I decided, this week, since I didn't work Monday, yeah, I picked up 2 days, yesterday and today. Freaking tired. How do you feel about mukbangs? Like, I was watching Gold Juice mukbang yesterday, and it was tacos. Why did I legit go and get tacos right when I saw them eat tacos? It's so weird. I never do that, but that time I was like, I literally paused their video and went to go get tacos. Ate my tacos and then finished their video. It was crazy. Because I never have cravings. I'm just like, what should I eat? And I think about every place and I'm like, what did they do to piss me off for me to not have gone there in a few days? Or months or weeks. Or years. Judge your family. Matter of fact, don't come for me. Burping's natural. Maybe not that deep for me, but I've been having it since I was young. This is like my favorite shirt. It's so cute. Y'all like my eyes though? Hold on. My eye makeup. Look at that. I got trophy. Well, you can't see trophy white, but it's in the corner. I got that fly liner. What? Who is this? A new girl? What? On camera it looks so much better. But yeah. And then, what'd I do? I did something with my hair. Oh, I used Got To Be gel. You know the Got To Be gel glue, but it's really gel. Yeah. So I used it on my edges and child, they have not moved. Might be a new thing too. But it's super sticky. I was getting irritated how sticky it was. Who makes a gel that's sticky? I need a new camera because this one overheats really quick. I don't know, it's about to shut off on me in a few minutes. So I'm gonna let it shut off on me. And then it might just be the end. I'm not gonna turn back on. I'm gonna finish eating my food. I'm not gonna use my phone camera, because getting it from my iPhone to my laptop is the most difficult and annoying thing ever. Takes so long. With this, I just take out the SIM card. I take out the SD card and I just put it on my computer. And it's there. And I'm like, I haven't been doing this for longest. Oh, y'all. Have y'all listened to Queen's EP, though? I don't know what EP mean, But I'm ready for this album because these little 5 songs is not gonna cut it for me. Like, woo, woo. Okay. Yeah, I'm ready to take this off because this eye's been bothering me all freaking day. All freaking day. Oh my gosh, I'm irritated now. That feels better for now. Up. Okay. Yeah, I done took some makeup off with that, but yeah, like, oh, see, there it goes. Once it hit 15 minutes, the little thing come on. So this is the end of my mukbang. Thanks for watching, because my camera's gonna shut off, so I'd rather just shut it off before it does for me. See you later.
Open your heart up, hoping I'll never find out that you're